Hello, my name is Jason Rancho, and I'm the Regional Manager Interior for JA British Columbia. You're likely watching this video today because either you've happened upon it or your teacher has assigned you to take one of our self-directed programs. Because these programs are online, you will be required to register an account, and we have made this video to help you get started. First, you have to go to our website, jabc.ca/online-learning. Alternatively, you may have already received a direct link from your teacher. If you scroll down slightly, you'll see three choices on the left side of the screen. Three choices are elementary, middle, and secondary school programs, but some courses may span more than one grade level. Once you scroll down and find your chosen program, click Students Enroll Me. This will take you to the JA Canada Learning Management System. The first time you go to the JA Canada page, you'll see a button at the bottom that says Create New Account. You will have to create a new account to access the programs. Once you click on that, you will be taken through our personal information and privacy policies. Please take a minute to read through all of our policies and click Next. If you or your child is under the age of 13, please pay particular attention to the age statement on this page. We do require a parent or guardian email and approval. Click Next. Once you've read through both privacy policy and the age statement, please agree to the two policies by clicking I agree and then click Next. The next screen is where you will register your information. To make it easy for you, we have placed our password requirements at the top of the page so you don't have to guess. Fill out all of your required information, and then near the bottom, you'll see some fields asking you for your location. To help us report back to our funders and be accountable to the teachers, we need to know which province you are in. The city field is mandatory. Again, it helps us with tracking program interest. Entering the name of your school is helpful for us too, but it is not mandatory. It just helps us keep teachers updated on registrations and interest. To complete the registration process, click on Create My Account. You should automatically get an email from JA Canada asking you to confirm your account, which will take you right back to the main login page. When you get to the login page, you can now put in your username and your new password. Once you're logged in, you should be taken directly to the program that you initially selected on our JABC page. Please ensure that you register in the program that your teacher has assigned to you. This will be for tracking information, and some teachers may be using this coursework for grading. Now just click on the bottom that says Enroll Me. Once you do that, it will take you directly into the program and you're ready to start doing your work. If you have any trouble with the site, please email us at info@jabc.org, and we'll do our best to help you. If you have questions about which program you should be taking or the material, your teacher is probably the best person to ask for help. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful.